Dahle Professional Guillotines are engineered in Germany and designed to perform well under heavy use. These traditional style paper cutters feature a machine ground blade that easily cuts through 15 sheets at a time. This self-sharpening blade maintains a perfectly honed edge, so you never have to worry about replacing it. For safety, the trimmer's innovative spring system holds the blade at any angle and restricts it from falling down unexpectedly. The manual hand clamp prevents paper from shifting and doubles as a protective guard to keep fingers safe. For durability, a sturdy metal base provides a solid foundation. It's designed to hold up to rigorous activity, day in and day out. For measuring, this base contains carefully screened guides and an adjustable backstop, which is the easiest way to ensure consistent accuracy. Dahle's professional guillotines are the preferred choice of professional photographers, print shops, and graphic design agencies. Dahle, German engineered for precision.